So let me pick up where I left off because something went wrong with the camera. I was telling you about coloring for mindfulness, which is different from, for me, in my experience, different from coloring per se. Because coloring for mindfulness uh, allows the image to reveal more about itself as I color. It's different from seeing the image and me knowing what to do and me just executing what I thought I knew I had to do at the initial moment I saw the image. It's richer than that. The experience of coloring for mindfulness, which I hope you will experience as well, is something to discover, and it brings a new dimension to your work, especially. So, to show that how that happens, I first am sharing with you how I do it in terms of coloring slowly. So that's why I named it flick technique, because I just flick ever so slowly. I don't go and as if the tip was a brush. So I don't go all over and try to color everything all at once. No. The idea is for this petal, for you to see how this petal actually curves and moves or folds in different areas. So as you see, I kept this one free of color. It's called highlighting. So I didn't color it because I thought for some reason it looks like this part doesn't have this part is protruding or nakalabas. So if some areas for you, as you see it, are protruding, then you actually, there's somebody at the door, then you actually keep it free of color so that it would appear like the light is touching it, like the light is shining on it, and you're actually, and it's kind of like the reflection. In reality, that of course has color, but in our world of coloring, we actually represent that as no color. Just so you'll be able to highlight the shadows from the highlights or the protruding areas. You know how the boats ride the ocean waves, and it says there the waves actually have troughs and crests. That's how it is as well in some things, especially in the soft petals of flowers. You will see that there are parts of the flowers that are troughing, or is that a word? But yung malalim, and then there are, in a wave, there is this, which is the crest, yung mataas na part ng wave. So if you feel that that is a crest, and I'm guided by that because I see this outline, I'm just